by and take a look at the 2017 i8. The BMW i8 provides the perfect combination of a hybrid sports car. The i8 maintains the power and styling you'd expect from a sports coupe and couples that with the efficiency of a hybrid vehicle and is priced below $80,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, leather shift knob, overhead console. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.